Pamela Deese, graduated AU undergrad, School of Public Affairs in 1980 and law school in 1983 with a JD. I'm a partner with the law firm of Aaron Fox Schiff in DC. My current role is a role I've had for many years, which is in the IP transactional practice in our firm, where I do licensing of trademarks, copyrights, and patents, and advertising review. I began focusing on intellectual property really quite accidentally as an offshoot of the international trade work I was doing at a firm in the 80s with this sort of question that was presented to me by one of my partners that looked like it was strictly a customs trade problem and turned out to be a licensing of intellectual property issue. And that set me on a path of sort of discovering licensing of IP in the film and television industry, and then thinking this was a lot more fun than dumping in countervailing duty cases. And so I sort of directed myself that way. As an adjunct I guess I'm in my 10th year of teaching here, and I teach IP licensing. I love being in the classroom. I love the enthusiasm that students have for a topic, in this case, intellectual property licensing. And my husband keeps suggesting, isn't this enough? Haven't you done this enough? Shouldn't we just travel? We have a break. And I keep saying, oh, it's so much fun. I don't want to quit yet. So here I am, still teaching. WCL graduates have the capacity to not only understand the law, but to be able to communicate clearly, explore interesting topics, not so focused on just a narrow area of the law, but be in a place where they can really expand their thinking and therefore deliver, I think, frankly, in many situations, better service to a client because they are great at issue spotting and have personalities that lend themselves to good client service. My piece of advice is come in with an open mind. Take a lot of different classes. Don't just take ones that are on the bar. Take classes that are taught by great faculty, and keep an open mind. After I'd served a couple of terms as president of the Alumni Association and president of the annual fund, etc., Dr. Ladner, who was then president of the university, asked me to come and talk to him about trustees. I was extremely flattered. It didn't take me very long to agree to serve, and I've been serving for 24 years. So I think it's the greatest honor of my life to have been able to serve on the Board of Trustees.